Let me show you how to disable personalized spatial audio on the AirPods 4. Now, if you don't like the personalized spatial audio, or maybe you just feel like it takes up too much of your battery and you no longer want it, you can actually go ahead and disable it. So just open the case next to the iPhone your AirPods are paired to, and then go to settings on the iPhone. Under settings, you should see your AirPods. Open up the AirPods app, and then now you can scroll down and you should see personalized spatial audio. Now you can tap on that, and to disable, just tap on stop using personalized spatial audio. Just tap on that and then confirm by tapping on stop using personalized spatial audio again, and that's going to disable that particular feature. So that's it. So now you can see personalized spatial audio is not enabled. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments or questions you might have down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.